guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I already told y'all I'll be doing 3 reaction videos today. This is reaction video number 2. I'm not even sure what order I'm gonna drop these reaction videos in, but just be sure to check out each and every one of them. Right now I'm about to react to Rich the Kid, Leave Me. It is currently, let me see, it's currently number 30 on trending. So yeah, and it's currently at 1.5 million views, yo. Like, it really have gone good. So I'm gonna see what the video is about right now. Of course, before we get started, y'all already know what to do. Thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let's just get right into the video. Enter community song. Yo, I already know this is about to be lit.
Why you wanna leave me, baby? You know you drive me crazy. And you been tripping lately. You know you different, baby. Know you have sugar when I come through. Pick up the phone when I want you. Pull up like a boss when I come through. Pick up the coupe, it's brand new. Why you want it? Money fall in. Ay, I'ma fall in it. Get a ball in it. The Porsche. What is for you?
She getting married to him, alright. Everybody at jump asleep by the wedding.
She got a bag, she got it. Ain't gotta brag about it. Don't gotta flex, she pop. And I do it. Ran through the money, I blew it. Young rich nigga, she knew it.
Ew.
You wanna leave me, baby? You know you drive me crazy. Look like a boss when I come through. Pick up the coupe, it's brand new. I gotta freeze her. She call like a
Ew.
when she a keeper.
This is so nasty.
But with 100 in my bag, I'll give you a game if you live. I put Chanel on my t-shirt. I'm fucking it up and she squirt. Why you gon' leave me? Bitch, she don't need me.
Where the hell did they get this concept from?
She make it look easy for me and her.
Okay, alright.
It's a good day. Bitch,
Oh yeah.
make it the green race. But take it the green face.
Is he dead? Aww.
Oh my god. Oh my baby. Why me? He was so cute.
This trifling bitch.
She deserve it. I'ma give it, cause she worth it. Ooh, we got the coupe, it's brand new.
So sorry for your loss.
350 mil?
Bye. Thank you.
Mm. What the hell? Okay, bitch. Bruh. So this video made 0 sense to me. I kind of understand what in the reach for, but like, what? Like, first of all, that part in the room where they were jerking the hell off, that shit was just like so disgusting. I don't know, the whole concept of this video is confusing because it's like, it's disgusting, then it's funny, then it's not, then it's just, I'm confused. But I get what they were trying for. I think I kind of get what they were trying for. I don't know. But you guys let me know what you think, alright? I'm going to leave the direct link to the video down below. In the description is going to be the first link, so go ahead and check it out. Click it and tell me what you think about the video. And you guys, don't forget to follow my social media sites. Those will be linked down below. And I love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Alright? Bye.